Hey guys, I just want to model how to complete your math homework for Tuesday, January the 19th. So we focused on the area model today during math class. So you're going to practice that skill on these next 3 slides. So the first slide you'll see will be done for you because I'm modeling it in this video. So remember when we do the area model, we break the factors down. So 9,642 is the same thing as 9,000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 2, and the factor 2 is just 2. And where it says equals P, P is just going to be the product, the answer of the multiplication problem. Remember when there's a letter there, it just says it equals a number and you have to solve for that number. So I'm going to multiply 9,000 times 2, and I'm just going to type my answer in here. 9 times 2 is 18, and I have 1, 2, 3 zeros, so I just type in 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. So I get 18,000. 600 times 2. Well, I'm going to put my mouse right here, and I'm going to type in 6 times 2 is 12, and I have 2 zeros, so I just put those 2 zeros. I'm making use of structure. I'm using the patterns I already know. Now, 40 times 2. I'm going to put my mouse right here. I'm going to get rid of the dots by copying in it, highlighting it, and clicking delete. 2 times 4 is 8, and I have a 0 here. Means I just add a 0 in my product, my answer to my multiplication problem. 2 times 2, I'm just going to copy in here or click in here, highlight this. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, I'm going to highlight these just so you see them better. You don't have to do that. But you're going to take all of the products that you have. Remember, a product is the answer to a multiplication problem. And you're going to put them where these zeros are. Okay? So 18,000, I'm just going to highlight over it and type in 18000. Oops, I have to make the box bigger. There we go. Now it all fits. 1,200. So 1, 2, 0, 0. Going to get rid of that extra 0. Hit enter. Notice I just got rid of all the zeros, and now I can just type in there 80 and 4. Now it's not lining it up right. So you can use the space bar and line it up so all your ones are with your ones, your tens are with your tens, and your hundreds are with your hundreds, your thousands are with your thousands. So I've got 0, 0, 0, and 4. That answer is 4. I've got 0, 0, and 8. That sum is 8. I've got 0, 2, and nothing. 0 and 2 is 2. I've got 8 and 2. Well, that's 10. I put down my 0, regroup my 1. Oops, let me go right here and fix this real quick. I actually have, it's not lining up right. I'm so sorry it's not lining it up right. So what I would do here is I would add it on your paper just to make sure you're right. So I'm going to take a minute and do that. I have 18,000, 1,200. When you add it on your paper or whiteboard, whatever you choose, make sure you line up the ones with the ones, the tens with the tens, the hundreds with the hundreds, the thousands with the thousands, and the 10,000s with the 10,000s. Okay, so I'm ready to type my answer. I just solved it on my paper, and that may be the easiest thing for you to do. And I ended up with, see, I'm clicking in there, 19,284. I am going to just make that a little bit bigger. Remember to put the comma. It is 3 digits and then a comma before the 3 digits. 3 digits, comma before the 3 digits. So that's what you're going to do to solve this, and I am just going to remind you that you need to, when you're finished, go back into Google Classroom and click Turn It In. Now, make sure you fill out this slide, and this slide. Remember that right here, this W just means your product, the answer that you get. We're setting it up like an algebra equation. The R just means your product, the answer that you get when you multiply. We set it up like an algebra equation, and the same thing for this one. Don't forget to turn it in. This is due today by midnight.